Rahman Rahim. Abdurrahim Khan from Free IT Education. Hi viewers, today we're gonna continue our lecture about sets in Python. Yesterday we learned about just about sets. Today we're gonna learn how to access items in a set. Let's start. So here we have got a set which has got 3 items in it, and if you want to access all these items one by one, so here we have used a for loop. So how does this work? So we're saying that in this set, so get one item at a time and pass on this into this variable x. This is temporary variable. You can keep it any variable you want, and then start printing it, and then it will print one by one till it just reaches to the last item. Let's say if you want to add one more item, let's say we're going to put it mango and rerun that. So we should get 4 items into this set, and as you can see that. So that's the simple way to access the item. Another way, if you want to say that a particular item, does that exist in that set or not, so we can use a word. This is a keyword called in. So we're saying that print true or false if banana exists in this set. And so that's why we use the text banana in this set. This we can use if a logic. So if this in this, it is true or false, and then we make a decision. Let's say if we say let's say we wanna test mango, and then we want to say that whether mango exists in this set or not. So we're going to put it mango there and rerun it, and it should return true as it exists. Let's say if we say cucumber in this set, and then you run it, and this should return a false because cucumber doesn't exist. Okay, that's how we can test whether that item exists or not. So one thing you need to make sure, once you have created the set, so you cannot change this item, but you can add new items. We will learn how to add items in a set. So we have got a function called add, and then we pass on the relevant data into that set. So here we got a set of 3 items of 3 fruits, and we want to add a new item called orange, and then we want to print it. So here is a function called add, which will allow you, so you type in the set name followed by dot and then a function called add, and then you can identify the item. So let's say we can say this set dot add mango, as it is my favorite. So run that, and then you should be able to get 5 items into that set, and as you can see that mango is in that. So we have added 2 items in this set. Okay, so the next one, how to add so next way is, so if we have got 2 sets, so here we got this set, and here we got another set, and we want to add this new set and append it into this set. So then we can use a function called update. So you write it the function that you want to update first, and followed by update function name. This is a keyword, and then you identified the name of another set. So this is like that. So if you want to have, let's say if you say tropical dot update, and then you can say this. So this is also doable. So you can do that way as well. So we comment that, and let's say what will be the new tropical set. We run that, and it should include all the items in this set into the tropical. See, and you can do that way as well. So this percentage number sign is to comment instruction or a line of a code of Python. So this won't run, but this will run. Okay. So another interesting thing is the object in the update method does not have a set. It can be any iterable objects, which is like we studied tuples, list, and dictionaries. So dictionaries we're going to learn in the future, but we have learned tuples and list. So here we have got element of list within a set. So what we will do, here is a set we created, and here is a list, and we are using update function but passing this time a list instead of a set, and then you can see that that's how it is added. Okay. I hope you have understood this lecture. If you have any questions, please leave your comments in this video, and I will be able to answer your questions. See you in the next lecture. Bye for now. Free IT education.